Welcome to this vital health video. Doctors have revealed the 4 most important body parts seniors must wash regularly to help extend their lives and maintain overall well-being. These often overlooked areas play a major role in preventing infections and boosting long-term health. Stay tuned as we break down each body part and explain why it matters more than you think. Please leave 1 subscribe, 1 like, and 1 comment to support this valuable content. And don't forget to share this video across your favorite social media platforms. Your health and your loved one's health depend on it. Lesson 1. Feet, a foundation for senior health. As we age, one of the most overlooked but crucial areas of personal hygiene is the feet. For seniors, keeping the feet clean is not just about comfort. It's about survival and long-term wellness. Why? Because seniors are significantly more prone to foot-related health issues due to reduced circulation, thinner skin, and slower healing abilities. These factors create the perfect storm for bacterial and fungal infections, which can lead to serious complications if left untreated. Daily foot washing plays a major role in preventing athletes' foot, toenail fungus, and sores that can become infected. It's especially important for individuals with diabetes, as they may not feel pain or notice cuts or blisters right away due to nerve damage, neuropathy. A small, unnoticed wound can turn into a major infection, and in severe cases, lead to hospitalization or even amputation. Here's what doctors recommend. Gently wash your feet every day using warm water and mild soap. Pay special attention to cleaning between the toes, as moisture and bacteria can hide there. After washing, dry thoroughly, especially between the toes, to prevent fungal growth. Applying a moisturizer can help prevent cracked skin, but avoid putting lotion between the toes where moisture can linger. Also, don't forget to inspect your feet daily for any cuts, blisters, swelling, or changes in color. These small checks can save you from major health problems down the road. In short, washing your feet isn't just good hygiene. It's a daily act of preventive health care. Give your feet the attention they deserve, and they'll continue to support your steps for many healthy years ahead. Would you like the other lessons? Groin, armpits, neck, in 300-word versions too? Lesson 2. Groin area, a critical zone for comfort and health. The groin area is one of the most sensitive and hygiene-critical regions of the body, especially for seniors. As we age, maintaining cleanliness in this area becomes more important than ever. The groin is naturally warm and moist, the perfect environment for bacteria and yeast to thrive, if not cleaned properly on a daily basis. Seniors, particularly those who are less mobile or sit for extended periods, are more susceptible to skin irritation, rashes, and fungal infections like jock itch or candidiasis. These issues can cause intense discomfort, itching, and inflammation, and in more severe cases, lead to painful skin breakdown or even infections that require medical attention. To prevent this, doctors recommend washing the groin area daily with mild, non-irritating soap and lukewarm water. Be gentle. The skin in this area is delicate, especially in older adults. After washing, it's crucial to dry the area thoroughly, as moisture trapped in skin folds can quickly lead to fungal growth. Using a clean, soft towel is best. Wearing breathable cotton underwear and avoiding tight-fitting clothes can also help reduce sweat and irritation. For seniors dealing with incontinence, regular cleaning throughout the day is essential to avoid infections and skin damage. Importantly, keeping the groin area clean isn't just about avoiding odor or discomfort. It's about maintaining dignity, comfort, and long-term health. Proper hygiene supports skin integrity, reduces medical complications, and improves overall quality of life. In summary, a clean groin is a healthy groin, and for seniors, this simple daily habit can have a big impact on well-being and longevity. Would you like Lesson 3 next, armpits, in the same detailed 300-word format? Lesson 3. Armpits, a small area with a big impact on health. When it comes to daily hygiene, the armpits are one of the most vital, yet often rushed, areas of the body. For seniors, maintaining clean underarms is essential not only for personal comfort, but also for overall skin health and infection prevention. The armpits are home to apocrine sweat glands, which produce a thicker type of sweat rich in proteins. This sweat, when mixed with bacteria on the skin, is what causes body odor. In seniors, whose immune systems may not be as strong, this buildup can also lead to skin irritation, dermatitis, or even bacterial or fungal infections if left unwashed. Regularly washing the underarm area helps remove sweat, dead skin cells, and bacteria, keeping the skin fresh and reducing odor. It also helps prevent clogged pores, rashes, and discomfort, especially in warmer climates or during periods of limited mobility. Doctors recommend gently washing the armpits daily using a mild soap and warm water. Scrubbing too hard or using harsh products can strip the skin of natural oils, leading to dryness or irritation. So be gentle. After washing, dry the area thoroughly to prevent moisture from lingering, which could promote bacterial or fungal growth. If deodorant or antiperspirant is used, opt for gentle, aluminum-free or hypoallergenic products to avoid further irritation, especially for sensitive or aging skin. In short, clean armpits contribute to better hygiene, skin protection, and personal confidence. For seniors, this simple step can make a big difference in daily comfort and long-term health. Never underestimate the power of a clean underarm. It's a small action with big health benefits. Would you like the 300-word version of Lesson 4, Neck and Behind the Ears, next? Lesson 4, Neck and Behind the Ears. The forgotten hygiene zones that matter. When thinking about hygiene, most people focus on obvious areas like hands, face, or underarms. But for seniors, two commonly overlooked spots, the neck and behind the ears, can have a surprisingly big impact on overall cleanliness and health. These areas tend to accumulate sweat, oil, dead skin cells, and even environmental dirt throughout the day. In warmer climates or during physical activity, this buildup is even more pronounced. If not cleaned regularly, the result can be skin irritation, clogged pores, bad odor, and even bacterial or fungal infections, especially in older adults whose skin may already be thinning or more sensitive. Behind the ears, in particular, is a small fold that's easy to forget but highly prone to oil and sweat accumulation. This can lead to a condition sometimes referred to as seborrheic dermatitis, a scaly, itchy rash caused by buildup of oils and yeast. To prevent this, it's important to wash the neck and behind the ears daily using warm water and a gentle, fragrance-free soap. Pay special attention to the folds and creases of the skin, especially if the person has limited mobility. After washing, ensure the skin is dried thoroughly to avoid any moisture-related skin problems. For seniors who sweat more or live in hot, humid environments, these areas may need extra care to avoid odors or irritation. Regular hygiene here not only supports skin health, but also improves personal comfort, appearance, and confidence. In summary, don't ignore these small zones. Cleanliness behind the ears and along the neckline is a simple, effective habit that goes a long way in supporting senior health and dignity. Let me know if you'd like this compiled into a full article or formatted as a video script. Final thoughts. Taking care of personal hygiene becomes even more important as we age. By focusing on these 4 often overlooked areas, the feet, groin, armpits, and neck behind the ears, seniors can significantly reduce their risk of infections, skin issues, and discomfort. These simple daily habits support overall health, dignity, and quality of life. Remember, good hygiene is more than just staying clean. It's a vital step toward living longer and feeling better every day. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share it with someone you care about.